Everything begins with the perfect blend of raw materials. High-quality silica sand, soda ash, limestone, and recycled glass arrive every day before a single bottle is made. Every ingredient is carefully delivered and stored. Automated systems keep the production line running efficiently from the very first step. Modern glass manufacturing depends on precision. Every raw material is weighed, monitored, and transported automatically to ensure consistent quality in every bottle produced.
Thousands of tons of raw materials arrive here every week. With advanced automation and strict quality control, this factory transforms simple minerals into millions of crystal-clear glass bottles.
Every perfect glass bottle starts with flawless raw materials. Advanced AI scanners inspect every grain of silica sand, ensuring only the highest quality.
Before manufacturing begins, every raw material undergoes advanced chemical testing. Automated laboratory systems verify purity, composition, consistency to guarantee premium glass quality.
Robotic sampling systems continuously monitor incoming materials. AI vision technology instantly detects impurities, helping maintain exceptional manufacturing standards. Precision inspection is essential for producing durable glass bottles. High-resolution microscopes and AI-powered imaging systems verify particle size and purity.
Every perfect glass bottle begins with an exact recipe. Automated batching systems weigh each raw material with incredible precision, ensuring the mixture meets strict. Powerful industrial mixers combine tons of raw materials into a consistent blend. This perfectly mixed batch guarantees smooth melting and helps produce crystal-clear, high-quality glass.
Artificial intelligence continuously monitors every ingredient and automatically adjusts the recipe, is corrected instantly to maintain world-class manufacturing accuracy.
Once the ingredients are perfectly measured, the automated production line keeps materials moving without interruption. Continuous batching glass mixture for the next stage of manufacturing. Every second, intelligent control systems adjust the glass temperature with incredible precision. This stable flow is essential for producing perfectly formed bottles without defects. Every second, intelligent control systems adjust the glass temperature with incredible precision. This stable flow is essential for producing perfectly formed bottles without defect. Inside the conditioning channels, the glass is gradually stabilized. Sophisticated automation guarantees a consistent flow, preparing the molten material for high-speed precision forming. Watch the molten glass transform into with exact temperature control and continuous monitoring. The factory prepares every glowing ribbon for the next stage of precision manufacturing. Every bottle begins with a perfectly measured drop of molten glass. High-speed precision shears credible accuracy, ensuring every bottle starts with the exact amount of material.
Once cut, each glowing glass gob is guided with split-second precision. Automated delivery systems move the molten glass directly to the forming machines without losing its ideal temperature. This high-speed production line cuts hundreds of molten glass gobs every minute. Advanced automation keeps every cut identical, allowing millions of glass bottles to be produced with remarkable consistency. Watch the precision of modern glass manufacturing. Every glowing gob is cut to an exact size, creating the perfect foundation for strong, flawless glass bottles with minimal waste. Watch the precision of modern glass manufacturing. Every glowing gob is cut to an exact size, creating the perfect foundation for strong, flawless glass bottles with minimal waste. The journey begins as each glowing glass gob enters the blank mold. Powerful compressed air carefully shapes the molten glass into a perfectly formed preform, creating
advanced automation ensures every bottle starts with the exact same shape. Precision air pressure expands the molten glass evenly, delivering unmatched consistency before the final.
Within moments, glowing bottle preforms are created and transferred automatics production stage. Every movement is controlled with ensuring strength, precision, and flawless bottle quality. A powerful burst of compressed air transforms the glowing glass into its final bottle shape. Every millisecond is carefully controlled, producing bottles.
Modern blow molding machines produce hundreds of perfectly shaped bottles every minute. Advanced automation ensures every bottle meets exact quality standards without slowing production.
Inside the mold, compressed air pushes the hot glass evenly against every surface. This process creates smooth walls, precise dimensions, and the strength required for everyday use.
As the mold opens, a perfectly formed glass bottle is revealed. Robotic systems immediately transfer it to the next stage while it's still glowing hot, keeping production fast and efficient.
Every bottle is inspected while it's still glowing hot. AI-powered cameras instantly detect even the smallest shape imperfections, ensuring only perfectly formed bottles continue down the production line. High-speed laser sensors measure every critical dimension in milliseconds. If a bottle falls outside strict tolerances, the system removes it automatically, without slowing production.
Thermal imaging reveals invisible flaws before the glass cools. Smart AI systems identify weak spots early, preventing defective bottles from reaching the next manufacturing stage. This fully automated inspection line checks thousands of bottles every hour. Multiple AI vision systems work together to guarantee consistent quality before the bottles move to the cooling process. After forming, every bottle enters the annealing layer. Here, the temperature is carefully reduced in stages, relieving internal stress and giving each bottle the strength needed for everyday use. This controlled cooling process is one of the most important steps in glass manufacturing. Even a small temperature change can affect the bottle's durability and long-term performance. Inside the annealing layer, advanced thermal engineering removes hidden stress from every bottle. This careful process prevents cracks and ensures exceptional strength. Watch as red-hot glass slowly cools into crystal-clear bottles. The annealing process locks in strength, improves durability, and prepares every bottle now enters the final inspection stage. AI cameras and precision lasers scan each smallest imperfection is detected before the bottle reaches customers.
High-speed robotic cameras inspect every bottle from every direction. Advanced imaging technology verifies shape, clarity, and finish at incredible production speeds. Precision laser systems measure every critical dimension with micron accuracy. Any bottle outside strict manufacturing tolerances is automatically removed, maintaining consistent product quality. Artificial intelligence makes thousands of quality decisions every minute. Bottles with chips, bubbles, or surface flaws are instantly rejected, while only perfect products move on for packaging and shipment. Every bottle is scanned with precision lasers that measure wall thickness in milliseconds. This advanced technology ensures each bottle meets exact engineering specifications before moving to the next stage. Artificial intelligence analyzes thousands of thickness measurements instantly, identifying even the smallest variations to guarantee exceptional strength and consistent quality. Every millimeter matters. Precision sensors verify uniform glass thickness, helping manufacturers produce bottles that are both lightweight and incredibly durable. Continuous digital monitoring keeps production perfectly calibrated. By measuring wall thickness in real time, manufacturers ensure every bottle must survive enormous internal pressure before it earns approval. Advanced hydrostatic testing systems simulate real-world conditions. Strength isn't measured by appearance alone. Precision impact tests reveal whether each bottle can withstand accidental drops and sudden shocks. Powerful hydraulic systems push every bottle to its structural limits. By measuring compression strength, engineers verify that each design can safely handle stacking, transportation. Before reaching consumers, selected bottles are tested until failure. These controlled burst tests provide valuable engineering data, allowing manufacturers to improve safety, durability, and a fully automated coating chamber applies an invisible layer. These robotic spray arms move in synchronized patterns. Microscopic particles bond instantly to the glass. Using advanced vapor technology, every bottle is coated with a nearly invisible layer that enhances strength while preserving perfect optical clarity. Precision robots coat every surface evenly, creating a smooth, durable finish that protects bottles throughout transportation and daily use.
Welcome to the future of glass manufacturing. Here, AI-controlled systems apply a flawless, invisible barrier, ensuring perfect consistency on every sparkling bottle.
Welcome to the future of glass packaging, where precision robotics meet absolute efficiency, delivering perfect quality to the world. Welcome to the future of global logistics, where AI drives absolute precision. Thousands of bottles are packed and loaded, delivering smart exports to the world. Efficiency is the engine of global trade, moving vast cargo seamlessly. Precision robotics handle the heavy lifting, connecting markets faster than ever before. Global trade floats on a sea of precise logistics, where massive vessels connect economies, driven by seamless, automated precision. Delivering from smart factories to global markets. Seamless distribution bridges continents, powering a connected, worldwide network, where precision meets perfect delivery.